me about Forex trading. But why are we here in Hong Kong? And when will you teach me about Forex trading?
Let's take it slowly, my boy. Do you have any idea about what Forex is?
Forex? Forex is,
So do you remember what you did yesterday? As a tourist, when you exchange your currency to the currency of the country or region you are visiting, that's the simplest explanation of foreign exchange trading.
Wow!
Therefore, Forex trading is defined as the process of exchanging one currency for another. For example, when you converted 1,000 Chinese yuan to 1,147 Hong Kong dollars. You have participated in a Forex transaction. The exchange rate of two currencies fluctuates every second as buyers and sellers drive the transactions. This usually creates a trading opportunity in the Forex market. Assume that you are leaving Hong Kong now and you have some Hong Kong dollars left. But fortunately, you find that the exchange rate has moved to 1.141 Hong Kong dollar to Chinese yuan. This means that you can exchange your 1,147 Hong Kong dollars into 1,005 Chinese yuan and make roughly 5 Chinese yuan profit.
Wow, that sounds so easy!
Not at all. Most people who get to the Forex market tends to lose money, which is further evidence that it's not that easy. Those that are overconfident and seek higher returns are likely to fail in the long run.
Oh no, I don't want to be a trader like this. Oh.
It takes time to be an experienced and mature trader, and you will be fine.
Oh.
In today's lecture, we've learned the definition of Forex trading, which is the exchange of one currency to another. So to gauge whether you are attentive to Will, here is a question for you. So here is all we've learned today. And in the next video, we'll discuss if all types of currency can be traded.